Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you know, say when God I do one work through you, are the hardest thing for the people them we know you from your born, to believe in you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 53 to verse 58. Now, when Jesus done talk all of them Toria, we sound like wriggle. He moved from there so. When he catch a Nazareth, when he come from, him start teach the Jew them in a den church. The people them couldn't believe their ears. Them say, oh, the man is so wise. I when get the power to do them miracle there. Wait, no the carpenter boy this. No Mary mother name. And him brother them, I know James, Joseph, Simon and Judas. And all his sister them no live right here so with we. How when get all of them sitting here from? And so then they vex and they want deal with Jesus none at all. But Jesus said to them, say, people ever respect and big up prophet, you know. Only the people them when born and grow monks and who him live with, no show him the respect there. And so Jesus never do no whole heap of miracle there so, cause the people them name believe in him. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.